At Be Powered, our mission is to provide everyone in the world access to clean and affordable power to enable a more equitable energy transition.
An overwhelming majority of the world's 7 billion electricity consumers get their access from centralized power grids. However, decarbonization, decentralization, and digitalization are driving a major transformation of the power sector. And we know that extension of centralized power grids is no longer the only game in town to supply electricity.
Decentralized and distributed off-grid solutions will be the least cost option for an estimated 70% of future connections in the communities currently off-grid.
For remote connectivity, innovations in solar energy, battery storage, and energy efficiency have made energy access faster and cheaper. Be Power tackles these problems by deploying decentralized solar and battery solutions.
In the commercial and industrial segment, access to clean, cheap, and reliable power is essential for economic growth. But in many emerging economies, due to unreliable and costly power from the grid, backup diesel generators are essential.
The cost of commercial industrial solar power saves between 15 and 40% on the existing grid tariffs, while the ESG benefits core to the Be Powered value proposition are a very welcome bonus for our customers.
Over 1 billion people are dependent on farming for their livelihoods, but lack access to efficient irrigation tools, resulting in water scarcity. Despite progress, some 700 million people will remain without electricity access through 2030.
But with our revolutionary portable battery rental and mini-grids hybrid business model, customers get to power their homes from solar-charged batteries for as little as 25 cents a day.
With no upfront capital costs, customers will rent the battery, use it, and return it for a fully charged one.
This, we believe, will be the cheapest way to provide electricity over the next decade, as compared to connecting a household to the centralized grid that can cost governments anywhere from $2,000 and $4,000.
Connections exclusively from existing decentralized mini-grids can cost between $500 and $1,000 per household, saving up to 75% on main grid extensions. But in a future Be Powered world, we save up to 75% of the 75%, meaning the cost is reduced to as little as $150 to $300 per household. The private sector is deploying decentralized renewables that will bring electricity to more people in sub-Saharan Africa than more expensive centralized grid extension, and Be Powered will be at the forefront of this revolution.